Hi, I'm Jeevan from Asia Securities, bringing the market summary for today. The market posted a low turnover with attention focused on export-oriented counters owing to the volatility prevailing in the forex market. In addition, activity on speculative caps saw a marked decline as retail interest continued to remain low. The benchmark All-Share Price Index shed 23.39 points to close at 5,384, whilst the liquid MPI lost 60.48 points to close at 4,821. Total turnover for the day was 376 million, whereas the volume traded was close to 18 million shares. The only block trade was witnessed in manufacturing sector counter Lanka volatiles as 500,000 shares changed hands at 75 rupees. The counter closed at 73 rupees and 80 cents, shedding a massive 11.15% for the day. Lanka volatiles eventually emerged as the top contributor, pumping over 37 million towards the day's turnover. Banking sector heavyweight Commercial Bank continued its dominance and emerged as the second highest contributor towards the day's tally. Market heavyweight John Keel's Holdings witnessed selling pressure during the day and closed at 195 rupees, shedding 2.8% for the day. Counters such as Grain Elevators and Lanka IOC witnessed renewed activity and traded attractive volumes, which in turn helped the counters to close the day on a positive note. Plantation sector counters such as Namunukula, Kalani Valley and Kegor continued to witness renewed investor participation and gained impressive amounts during the day. Further, retail volumes were topped by Sri Lanka Capital Holdings, Ceylon Merchant Bank and Asia Asset Finance, while Keel's Food Products emerged as the top gainer on the thin trade.
Moving on to business news, you're here with Leanne from Global Media Networks. Stockbrokers and investors yesterday expressed concern over the decision of the Colombo Stock Exchange to install the latest automated transaction system, where the cost of the system was still a closely guarded secret, despite broker firms being members of this exchange and investors contributing towards the upkeep of the CSC through various fees. Macwoods Energy is presently in the process of finalizing a feasibility study for the establishment of a 1 megawatt grid solar power plant located in an existing property of the company. As part of diversification plans to provide solar and wind power solutions to customers of both grid and off-grid based applications. Waterwell Plantations PLC's golden shareholder, the Treasury, is seriously evaluating the special resolution passed to sell the marketing subsidiary of Waterwell Plantations PLC. Sri Lankan Airlines is focusing on maximizing yields on its network and shifting capacity from Europe, where competition is high, to Asia. Amid rising fuel prices, Chief Executive Kapila Chandrasena said, fuel accounts for as much as 50% of an airline's operating expenses. Sri Lanka is one of the countries in South Asia whose poor would suffer if prices of commodities like wheat rise further, the Asian Development Bank said in a news report. South Asia's high population growth rates and high number of people already living on or close to the extreme poverty line of $1.25 a day mean it is one of the most vulnerable regions in the world to food price shocks. A wide range of business opportunities is opening for Sri Lankan companies in the emerging hydrocarbon exploration and production program after 2 offshore gas strikes in Karen, India, an official stated. These range from providing banking and financial services, oil well insurance, risk management, and training to catering services and communication systems installation and supply, clearing and forwarding, and air logistics. With that, I round up the news for today. Thank you and see you again tomorrow.